In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the SIM formula in LibreOffice Calc. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to manage data more effectively, mastering the SIM formula can significantly enhance your spreadsheet skills. So let's dive into it. First, you'll need to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. LibreOffice is a fantastic free alternative to other Office suites, and it comes packed with features. Once you've launched LibreOffice, you'll see a variety of options. For this tutorial, we're focusing on Calc, which is the spreadsheet component of LibreOffice. So go ahead and click on the Calc spreadsheet option. With Calc open, you'll see a grid of cells spread across columns and rows. These are the building blocks where you'll manage your data. Now let's say you have some numbers in a column or a row that you want to add together. The sum formula is perfect for this task. First, click on the cell where you want the result of the sum to appear. This is an important step because it tells Calc where to display the answer. Now that you've selected the cell, it's time to type the same formula. Begin by typing the equal sign, which tells Calc that you're about to enter a formula. Right after the equal sign, type a sum followed by an open parenthesis. Next, you need to specify the range of cells that you want to add together. For example, if you want to sum the values from cells A1 to A5, you would type A1, A5 inside the parentheses. After specifying the range, close the parentheses. Your formula should look something like this. Equal sign, SUM, open parenthesis, A1 colon A5, close parenthesis. Once you've typed out your formula, hit enter. LibreOffice Calc will automatically calculate the sum of the specified range and display the result in the cell you selected earlier. It's as simple as that. The sum formula is incredibly versatile and can be used for columns, rows, or even multiple ranges if you separate them with commas. And there you have it. Using the sum formula in LibreOffice Calc is straightforward and immensely useful for quickly totaling up data. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering spreadsheets, so don't be afraid to experiment with different data sets and ranges. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using LibreOffice Calc and other productivity tools.